Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, I'm diving into the KOHLER Essential Ultrabright Lighted Mirror, a modern, sleek addition to any bathroom or dressing room. This rectangular mirror, with its bright LED lighting and minimalist matte black finish, promises precision lighting for tasks like makeup application, shaving, and general self-care. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First, let's break down the basics. The KOHLER Essential Ultrabright Mirror features LED lighting that's up to 3 times brighter than your typical mirror lighting, which is a huge bonus for anyone who struggles with shadowy or dim bathroom lighting. The mirror offers adjustable brightness with 4 different settings ranging from 10 to 2100 lumens. This is perfect for those who like to tailor their lighting depending on what they're doing, whether it's for a soft morning routine or a more precise makeup session. Additionally, the light temperature sits at a neutral 3500 Kelvin, which is said to give a true-to-life color rendition. No more strange lighting that throws off your foundation shade. Now, on to the real-world experience. Installing this mirror was a breeze, thanks to the hang and secure mounting system. Whether you prefer to mount it vertically or horizontally, the mirror's flexibility and installation is a big plus. I opted for the horizontal setup, and it fits seamlessly into my bathroom space. The built-in programmable recall feature is a handy touch too. It remembers your last brightness setting, saving you from having to adjust it each time. When it comes to the lighting performance, the brightness is genuinely impressive. Even at its lowest setting, there's no dim, uneven lighting, just consistent, well-distributed illumination. I particularly love how shadowless the LED lights are, which really helps with tasks like tweezing or applying makeup. For someone like me, who spends a lot of time doing detailed beauty routines, this is a game changer. In terms of pros, the KOHLER Essential Ultrabright Mirror excels in its lighting quality and long-lasting LED design. These LEDs can last up to 59,000 hours, which means you won't have to worry about replacing bulbs frequently. The flexibility of installation and the sleek matte black design also make it a winner for most modern bathrooms. However, no product is without its cons. The price point could be a bit steep for some, especially when compared to other lighted mirrors on the market. If you're looking for something simple and more budget-friendly, there are alternatives out there, though they may not have the same level of brightness or features. Value for money. In terms of value, it's important to consider the longevity and the brightness that KOHLER provides with this mirror. The integrated LEDs and precise lighting are key selling points, making it a solid investment for those who value high-quality lighting for daily tasks. It's not the cheapest option, but the durability and consistent performance justify the price, especially for anyone who requires precision lighting. If you're looking for alternatives, there are some more affordable options available, but that they may not offer the same brightness or lifespan. Brands like Simple Human offer similar products, but their price tags can be close to or even higher than this KOHLER mirror, and they may not have the same customizable brightness settings. As for build quality, KOHLER has done an excellent job with the overall construction. The mirror feels sturdy, and the materials used are top-notch. The LED lights are distributed evenly across the surface, and I've not noticed any hot or dark spots that might throw off your routine. The mirror has been holding up perfectly without any signs of wear after a few weeks of daily use. Finally, if you're wondering about customer support, KOHLER has a solid reputation for addressing customer inquiries efficiently, though I didn't need to reach out for support. Still, knowing that the brand has a strong track record in customer service adds an extra layer of trust for those considering the product. To wrap it up, the KOHLER Essential Ultrabright Mirror offers premium features, especially its bright, customizable LED lighting and easy installation. While it's not the most budget-friendly option, its performance and longevity make it a worthy investment for anyone serious about their grooming routine or bathroom aesthetics. If you're someone who needs precise, shadow-free lighting, this could be the perfect addition to your space. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching. If you've used this mirror, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experience with this mirror. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.